Hello YouTube, this is You Can Do It Dave. Today I'm working on trying to fix my Honda Fit latch. Okay, now a lot of people out there, they take off this entire piece. I do not have a wiper blade puller, so what I've done is I've just popped off the frame here. Okay, and that gives me a chance to lift it up, and the handle just pops right out. Okay, just like that. Now, there are a lot of videos about how to remove all this, and there are videos out there on how to remove the inner panel, so I won't cover that detail. What I will cover though is after I removed this, the guy at the garage says do not use grease or spray lubricant or anything like that because it will collect dust and debris and seize up again. So I just said, well, the heck with it. I looked around the shop and I have a piece of aluminum rod the same size as the pin that goes through there. So I replaced the rusty steel pin with aluminum that will not rust. It will not rust, so I do not need to lubricate it. Now all I have to do is slide it back in the hole. Slide it back into the hole. Put it all back together and we'll see how it works. Okay, so after about 5 minutes of clipping and snapping the little Christmas trees back into place, there is a screw that goes in here to hold it on. So it's not, if you break all the clips off, it's not a total loss. The screw will hold it on. Okay, so the latch works good. Okay, everything's clipped back on. I did not have to remove the windshield wiper, which is good. The cover, it clipped on rather nicely. All the Christmas trees are holding. Didn't break any of them, thankfully. And it does work. That is, so yeah. Good enough. So instead of trying to oil up and grease up that steel rod, just replace it with aluminum. It's a lot easier. This is You Can Do It Dave. I'll see you next time.